If you're experiencing billing problems with Wells Fargo, it's important to address them promptly to avoid further issues. Follow these steps to effectively resolve your concerns. Step 1. Gather documentation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your account. Log into your Wells Fargo account online or through the mobile app. Check your recent transactions and statements to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized charges that may have led to the billing problem. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Wells Fargo's customer service at the number listed on their website or on your billing statement. Be prepared to explain your issue clearly and provide the documentation you gathered in Step 1. Step 4. Follow up in writing. If your issue is not resolved over the phone, consider sending a written complaint to Wells Fargo. Include all relevant details and documentation and send it to the address provided on their website for billing inquiries. Step 5. Monitor your account. After your issue has been reported and addressed, keep an eye on your account for any changes or updates. Ensure that the billing problem has been resolved and that your account reflects the correct information. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems with Wells Fargo. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from consumer protection agencies.